Is the American dream of homeownership slipping away? For so many hopeful buyers, it feels like the answer is yes. Hey there, it's Lori McIntosh with eXp Realty, and today we're diving into a topic that hits close to home. Literally, let's get real. Owning a home has always been a part of the American dream, but lately it feels like a goal slipping through our fingers. And here's why. Number one, housing affordability is in crisis mode, especially in California. A recent study found that 70% of Americans believe home ownership is out of reach in today's market. That's staggering. Think about it. Families who dream of a backyard, a place to call their own, are finding those dreams just beyond their grasp. Why? We're short 3.8 million homes nationwide. You read that right? Millions. Fewer homes mean rising prices, bidding wars, and heartbreak for so many buyers. While inventory is ticking up slightly, we've got a long road ahead. Number two, interest rates are not helping. Remember when monthly payments were manageable? Those days feel like ancient history. Higher interest rates have made affordable homes a distant memory for many. So what's the fix? We need bold solutions. Build more single family homes. Offer low interest mortgage programs and down payment assistance for first time buyers. Reform zoning laws so building affordable homes doesn't feel like solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. This isn't just about numbers, it's about people. The teacher saving for their first home, the retired couple trying to downsize, the young family dreaming of a backyard for their kids. The good news, there's hope. With collaboration, policymakers, builders, communities, we can turn this around. And here's where I come in. I am here to make this market work for you. Whether you're buying, selling, or just want to chat about what's next, I'm your resource. So is my cat. Come on, kitty. Your advocate, your guide. The American dream might feel out of reach right now, but I believe with the right strategy and support, it's still possible. Let's make it happen together. Shoot me a message and let's talk about how we can get you where you want to be. Yes, I am very chilly. Brr. It's winter.